Gospel according to Mark chapter 6 verse 14 to 29. King Herod also heard about Jesus because his name had become well known. Some people said, John the Baptist has been raised from the dead, and that is why miraculous powers are at work in him. Others said, he is Elijah, and others, he is a prophet like the prophets of the time past. But when Herod heard of Jesus, he exclaimed, This is John, whom I beheaded, but he has been raised from the dead. For this is what had happened. Herod had ordered John to be arrested, bound, and put in prison because of Herodias, the wife of his brother Philip. Herod had married her, and John told him, It is not lawful for you to live with your brother's wife. So Herodias held a grudge against John and wanted to kill him, but she could not, because Herod respected John. He knew John to be an upright and holy man and kept him safe, and he liked listening to him, although he became very disturbed whenever he heard him. Herodias had a chance on Herod's birthday, when he gave a dinner for all the senior government officials, military chiefs, and leading men of Galilee. On that occasion, the daughter of Herodias came in and danced, and she delighted Herod and his guests. The king said to the girl, Ask me for anything you want, and I will give it to you. And he went so far as to swear to her an oath, I will give you anything you ask, even half of my kingdom. She went out to consult her mother. What shall I ask for? The mother replied, The head of John the Baptist. The girl hurried to the king and made her request, I want you to give me the head of John the Baptist here and now on a dish. The king felt very much distressed, but because of his oath in front of the guest, he dared not to refuse her. So he sent one of the bodyguard with orders to bring John's head. The man went and beheaded John in prison. Then he brought the head on a dish and gave it to the girl, and the girl gave it to her mother. When John's disciples heard of this, they came and took his body and laid it in a tomb. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.